Hi, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at Interop 2013 in Las Vegas. I'm speaking with Ricardo with Hughes. Ricardo, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
So I figured we start at the top. Tell me, what is Hughes known for?
Well, Hughes is known for being a managed network service provider. We are an aggregator for all kinds of broadband network technology that we provide as a service to distributed enterprises, so folks that are in retail businesses, restaurants, hospitality, banking, finance. And we do the wide area network connectivity for them, as well as other services on top of that, like managed security, wireless LAN connectivity, voice over IP, and solutions like that.
Excellent. Now, you've got some recent news, right? I figured we could talk about that.
Yes, that's right. Thanks, Rich. We've actually here at Interop today just announced our new branch gateway product. It's actually something that we developed jointly with Fortinet. We partnered with them, being one of the leaders in security technology. And the great thing about this new platform of ours is that it combines all of Fortinet's great FortiOS security capabilities, their FortiASIC hardware platform, with all of the Hughes performance optimization capabilities, technologies that we call active QoS and active compression that let us transform a broadband wide area network into a true enterprise-grade MPLS-like service, quality of service that our customers are looking for at a tremendous cost savings over traditional MPLS T1 connections.
So typically MPLS could be a lot more expensive than a traditional internet connection. I mean, do you have any idea like how much more one of those connections would usually cost?
Yeah, sure. So what we find is typically if you were to compare an MPLS T1 connection for a network of say 300 locations, which is pretty typical for our customers, with our services for the same capacity level, the same bandwidth, plus the security and connectivity options, you'd probably save about 30% on the cost of that compared to that MPLS T1. Alternatively, at the same price point, we can typically provide 5 times the capacity and bandwidth than that MPLS T1 for the same price point.
Wow, and the quality is going to be how compared to MPLS?
It's going to be equivalent to the MPLS. The wonderful thing about our active QoS technology that's in our new branch gateway platform is that it actually measures and samples the line conditions to determine what the real capacity of that broadband link is. And with that information knowledge in the system, it can actually flow control all the traffic that's offered onto the network so that we can guarantee priority to the more critical applications, things like POS transactions for retailers, voice over IP calls. So those applications, they get the bandwidth and capacity they need even when the network is under congestion, but we scale back the access to other applications that are less critical, so we're not introducing packet loss, we're not adding latency, and we're controlling jitter. All the kinds of things you expect from an MPLS grade network, but now you can get it at a broadband price point.
So bottom line, using flow control, even if someone in the office decides to upload their entire photo library at once, by slowing down those packets and giving priority to the real-time packets, like voice, you end up with quality of service levels similar, MOS score similar to what you would see with an MPLS connection at a fraction of the price.
Yes, that's right. So as an example, a typical broadband connection under congestion, if you try to run a single voice call on that, you'll probably get a MOS score of around 2.7, so you won't even get to cell phone quality. With our active QoS technology, that same line condition at congestion, with as many as 4 voice calls running, we see over 90% of our calls go through with a MOS score of 4.0 or better.
Fantastic. What else should we know?
I think some of the other key thing to know is that we've now, with our partnership with Fortinet, really leveraged the ability to deliver enhanced UTM security capabilities for this same distributed enterprise market at a far lower price point than what these customers are used to buying. You know, we've basically integrated as many as 4 or more boxes into this single branch gateway to account for firewalls, next-gen firewall, content filtering, intrusion prevention and detection, reporting of all of these functions since it is a managed service, as well as all the WAN optimization capabilities and wireless LAN. So I think the advantages are just tremendous in the cost savings you can get there, the level of integration, and it all comes as a managed service.
Fantastic. Anything else we should know about the future? Any future announcements or anything you want to tell us about?
Well, another great thing with this platform, originally we are going to launch a set of wonderful features that the Fortinet platform gives us, but as the service evolves, we're going to be launching more and more security functionality on the same platform without the need for any kind of hardware upgrades at all. It's all going to be software enabled.
And I guess just one final thing is, how do I'm listening to this video, I'm watching this video, I want to buy from you because this sounds exciting, I want to save money, I want better security. What do I do next?
Well, you can go to our website and find contact information there. We have sales reps throughout North America that can help you and contact you to work out the right kind of network architecture for you.
Doesn't hurt to just say the website.
Go to Hughes.com and find information there, or even better yet, if you go to business.hughes.com/enterprise or HughesOn.com, any of those locations will get you to the right place.
Good enough, thanks for your time.
All right, thanks, Rich.